Welcome to Thelma Jones Elementary, where learning is hands-on, engaging, and built for the future. I'm Miko Rines, the proud principal here at Thelma Jones Elementary, where I have 30 years of education experience, the last 6 being here, and I have to say they've been the best years in education.
Hola, I'm Emily Maldonado, the PEIMS clerk here at Thelma Jones. We're so excited to have you here. Our passionate staff ensures every child reaches their full potential through rigorous student-centered instruction.
We prepare students for life, college, and careers with real-world exposure and goal setting aligned with Mansfield ISD's Vision 2030.
From building character in our Unity houses to exploring interests in fun clubs, Thelma Jones is where hearts and minds grow.
Thelma Jones Elementary. Here, we empower every student for a bright tomorrow.